How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I just pulled up to Walmart here. I gotta run inside, grab myself a headlamp because I left my headlamp at home. So yeah, let me just run in real quick and I'll see you guys out on the water. We're gonna do some walleye fishing, night walleye fishing. We're gonna see how that goes. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up if you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the water. I'll be right back. So I pull up to the spot here and there's like a ton of college kids. Like, there's a lot of them right on the shoreline, so definitely have to wait just a little bit. I do have to wait till it's a little darker because the walleyes don't hit during the daylight here. I'm actually just going to go and take a hike and maybe just scout some spots out here in Madison, and we'll see how it goes from there. But I did get my headlamp. I need these, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's only 5 something, so definitely got a while before these walleyes start moving in. Just gonna keep casting, grinding it out. See if they come in here. Switch up the bait here real quick. Let's see what we got here. It's a beautiful night out too. It's amazing. Let's try something completely solid white. See if that changes up. I just saw a walleye. I just freaking saw a walleye, guys. What the heck? I turned on my light and it was right in front of me. What the heck? I turned around with my light's on. He was right there, right in front of me. There he is, I see him. See the freaking walleye. Here he comes. He's gonna eat, he's gonna eat. Go! I watched him eat it. That's so cool. There he is, guys. First walleye of the night. Small guy, but still. Dude, I just watched him smack it. That was so cool. Oh. There we go. First walleye of the night, guys. That's a nice 16, 17 incher right there. That was way cool. I literally flashed his eyes and I threw the jerkbait in front of him. He just pounded. Holy smoke. Let's go. Striked it like a bass off of that jerkbait right there. That's a nice fish. Beautiful, good eating size right there. The size limit out here is 18, so I don't think this is 18. It's definitely 16, maybe almost 17. That's amazing. Let me get a picture of this real quick. Very quiet. There you go. Don't want to spook the other ones. Peace. Dude, there's a school right here. There he comes, there he comes. Got him. Watch them eat it. That was so cool. It's a small guy, but still. Dude, that was beastie as heck. I watched him eat it. That was insane. Nice. Oh, it's actually a really nice fish too. Dude, it's insane. I don't make too much. There's a boat over there, so I don't make too much noise. He's hooked pretty good, so I don't care if he pops off. Dang, it's crazy. That's insane. Wow, you guys see that? Yep. Let's do his thing. I don't want the boat to just come over here. Eliminate this fish. Look at that, guys. Wow, that's so cool. It's amazing. Dude, this jerkbait is just on fire, man. Oh, Jesus, slippery here. Wow, look at that. Look at that fish. Oh, barely hooked. Dude, that's a nice eater. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that, guys. That's a beautiful fish right there. Holy cow. Oh, dude. Come on, let it go. Sweet. Come. It's not big, but I got him. Nice, look at that, guys. Keep him down low. Quiet. That's a nice one, actually. It's a really nice walleye. That's a nice walleye right there. He's not done yet. Nope, he's too big to lift. Jeez. Gotta keep him really calm. These fish are crazy. Wow, look at that fish. Look at that fish. It's insane. Look at that, guys. That is a beautiful fish. Jeez, I'm trying not to fall here. Look at that fish. What an amazing fish. Good eater, but we're not keeping anything today. Look at that. That's a nice fish. I'm gonna let him go. Nice and quiet. Oh! Cut me off. Holy smoke. Something just cut me off. Dang. Guys, something just cut me off. It's huge. There you go, guys. Worth the trip. Got a ticket for parking here. That's just how it goes sometimes, you know. Sorry, you guys probably can't see no more, but I got a ticket. Let's see. All right. I'm not gonna show you guys all my information, but just know, $40. Wow. No visible valid permit. Photo on file. Thanks. We love Madison fishing. At least it's only $40. Not bad, and I caught some fish. But damn. Alright, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's horrible lighting, so it doesn't matter what I show anyways. But I'm gonna head out with the $40 ticket. Sweet. Just pay this off. It happens, you know. I thought I could park here. I mean, I parked here before. I never got a ticket here before, but I guess this time they were just like, We recognize your car. We can give you a ticket, even though it's not 10 o'clock yet. So I got a ticket. We did catch a couple fish, so that's good. Caught some walleyes. Got a little excitement going there, so I'm happy. I'm not mad. A ticket's a ticket, you know. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.